Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a horizontal scrolling menu using HTML5 and CSS3. Without further ado, let us start doing this. On this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the software itself, which is TextEdit. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application, TextEdit, click on this and then Command S to save. Go to your desktop, start a new folder called Horizontal Scrolling Menu. Create and then change the text file name to index.html. Save, yes, use.html. Increase the size of the text edit file. Increase the font size, Command plus a couple of times, and then we are ready to start the programming in HTML5 CSS3 to create the horizontal scrolling menu. Less than, exclamation mark, dot type in capitals, HTML, close that up, go to a new line, less than, HTML, greater than, less than slash HTML. Within this we need the head and the body. Within the head, we can have title if required to, but not for this tutorial. So now we're ready to go into the body and then program all the HTML required to create the horizontal scrollable menu. Less than div class equals speech marks scroll menu. Greater than, go to a new line, indent, less than ahref equals speech marks hashtag computer, greater than computer, less than a, greater than. Copy the previous line of code, go to a new line, indent, paste again, change computer to science. Likewise on the right hand side, and then computer to videos. And then copy the previous lines of code 1, 2, 3. Command C, go to a new line, indent, paste again. One more indent and paste. So now we have 3 times 4 lines of code that equates to 12 lines. A menu with 12 options. We can end with the div tag, less than div, greater than, go to a new line and add a heading, less than h1, greater than, horizontal scrollable menu, less than slash h1, greater than. We can have paragraphs if required to. So now the navigation menu itself has been created. We can execute the file to see what we have, but the horizontal menu itself is incomplete. So now we can go all the way to the top. After head, insert the style tag for the CSS, less than style, greater than, go to a new line, less than slash style. Within this, we now need all the CSS programming. Div dot scroll menu, take that from the bottom. Curly brace, new line, background color, overflow, white space. Go back to the top, colon, highlight, copy, and then paste at the end of each word. Go back to the top again, background color, hashtag 333, semicolon, overflow, auto, semicolon, white space, no wrap, semicolon. Go to a new line, curly brace, go to a new line again. Copy the previous line of code, div.scroll menu, and then a curly brace, new line, display, color, text align, padding, and text decoration. Go back to the top, colon, highlight, copy, and then paste at the end of each word again. Go back to the top again, display inline dash block, semicolon, color, white, semicolon, text align, center, semicolon, padding 14 pixels, semicolon, text decoration, none, semicolon, go to a new line, curly brace, go to a new line again, div.scroll menu, a colon, hover, curly brace, new line, background color, colon, hashtag 777, semicolon, go to a new line, curly brace, command S to save. So now we are ready to execute the program, the file, to see what the outcome really is. So we can go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to Desktop, go to horizontal scrolling menu, go to index.html, open with Safari. And now we have some problems on screen. If we minimize Finder, decrease the size of the web page, decrease the size of the text edit file so we can then see what is happening simultaneously on a concurrent level so we can then rectify any errors. Div class equals C, no should be equaling to scroll menu. When we tried to copy, we replaced scroll menu with C. Command S to save, go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page, and this is what we have now, a scrollable menu. Horizontal is spelt wrong. Change the S to a Z. Command S to save, go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page. So there we have a horizontal scrollable menu created with HTML5 and CSS3. Quit Safari, quit text edit. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.